Why shop they open?
Wow, very interesting.
God, this drink, you get good spirit though. Aye, you too low, you too low.
We just pray.
Since you carry my 2 legs, come wear bread today. Chai, God.
Continue.
I just think how I go use take you with empty belly. Now carry me come wear bread day. Ah, you too good. You be good spirit. Ah, ah. Sir White.
This man.
Sir White. Sir White just dey call you, no dey answer me. Just dey busy, dey pack. You wan go pray?
Poor man pikin.
Sir White.
Hey. Chai.
Sir White dey talk to you, no wan answer me. Sir White. Okay, now no problem now. Ngwa give me.
What be this? How many times will they tell you?
You can't take me to my mouth, Sir White.
That thing enter your mouth, what?
No. I be just about my dustbin.
Yakuri, sorry. I just said I wear my dustbin, I keep on. Wouldn't I want to talk?
Let's have it.
What day say make you give me credit bread?
This is the way I talk. You know smell for your mouth? Now dirty thing when you want to talk, now you make dirty enter your mouth.
I don't understand. Now give me or credit be the dirty thing why they talk.
This is the way I talk now. I know the smell for your nose. Now dirty thing I they talk, now you make I enter my mouth.
Now because I want buy credit things from you, now make you put dirty for mama and now make they lock your shop.
No.
Waiting this one, Papa. They talk.
Okay, now wait till make you one lock your shop.
Let's have it.
But
You think say they wise?
even from the mouth of Yaru, wisdom I don't come out. Need to I do strong go. Wayo, ko ba haka ba.